How often do you clean your dishwasher? Or do you ever clean it? Do you dread opening it because it smells so bad? Well, did you know that there's a filter in the bottom of your dishwasher that you should be cleaning regularly, and this will help to keep down the smell. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the dishwasher and keep it smelling good. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is remove the bottom tray from your dishwasher. This will give you access to the filter and to the screen that takes out debris that can't go through the pump and the drain hose. So every brand's a little bit different, but typically you'll just twist the filter and pull it out. You can see that this one's fairly dirty, and here's the screen. Remove both of those, and then you're gonna basically just rinse them off. And if your dishwasher is really smelly, what you want to do is fill up your sink with some warm water, and you want to put some vinegar in that water. That'll help to kill the bacteria that's causing the bad smell. So fill up your sink to cover up the screen and the filter, and just put them in there, and make sure you pour about a cup of white vinegar in the sink and let them soak for about 20 minutes or so. And while those are soaking, what you want to do is clean around the seal of the dishwasher. This area doesn't really get water to it while the dishwasher is running, and anything that gets in there can grow bacteria, and this also will cause a bad odor. So you want to clean around that seal, and you can use a sponge, but I also recommend using a old toothbrush to really get in there and get that clean. And you want to use some cleaner, maybe with some bleach, that'll kill those germs. But make sure you clean all around that seal and around the door itself to get rid of that bacteria that's causing the bad odor. And here, you see, using that toothbrush can really get into those nooks and crannies and get that clean. So once you've got that seal cleaned, it should have been about 15-20 minutes, and you can rinse off the filter and the screen. And what you want to do is put all of these items in the dishwasher, and you're going to run it through a complete cycle. I like to turn the silverware tray upside down. This allows the high pressure water to spray on the side that typically doesn't get the high pressure water. And you're going to put everything into the dishwasher. You're going to put the filter in, you're going to put the screen in. You're just going to put them on the trays so that they can be completely washed as the dishwasher runs this cycle. And you want to put another cup of white vinegar on the top tray of the dishwasher. You put it right side up, and this allows the vinegar to slowly be dispersed through the dishwasher as it runs through the cycle. And this vinegar is going to help to further disinfect the interior of your dishwasher. So you're just going to run this through a complete cycle. And once this wash cycle is done, the dishwasher should be very clean and smelling fresh. Now it's time to just put everything back in place. You flip that silverware tray over, you put the screen and the filter back in place, and when you put that filter in, you put it into that hole and you turn it typically about half a turn, make sure it's locked into place, and you're done. Your dishwasher should be nice and fresh and clean, and the bad odors should be gone. So that's all there is to it. I'd recommend cleaning that filter and screen about once a month. Now, you don't need to go through this full process every month, but you should probably do this at least once a year, if not twice a year. But if you'll clean that filter and screen monthly, then that'll also help keep the odors from building up in your dishwasher. I really hope this video has been helpful to you. I sure appreciate you watching, and I'd appreciate a thumbs up if this has been helpful to you. I hope you have a great day. Take care.